Hello everyone. So अब चाहिँ हामी question tags को MCQ solve गर्न गइरहेका छौं, where we are going to see how positive and negative tags are used. अनि कुन statement मा चाहिँ कुन tag use गर्ने हो त्यो पनि हामी सिक्ने छौं. So for the first question we have is this isn't real, and our options are is it, isn't it, wasn't it and was it. यसमा चाहिँ हामीलाई पास्ट र प्रेजेन्ट को पनि अलिकति हेर्नु पर्छ कि यो isn't it लाग्ने बित्तिकै यो त नेगेटिभ भयो. this isn't real यो नेगेटिभ छ. सो अब हामीलाई पोजिटिभ ट्याग युज गर्नु छ. अब पोजिटिभ ट्यागमा कुन छ त हामीसँग is it र was it. अब is it र was it बाट कुन हुन्छ त? यो चाहिँ this isn't real छ. यो चाहिँ प्रेजेन्टमा छ भने obviously हामीले पास्टमा त अब गर्न मिलेन, because this is how this full sentence is in present tense. So हामीलाई question tag पनि present tense मै राख्नु पर्छ. So for that reason we use is it. Next what we have is you have heard of gloomy Sunday. Hasn't you, have you, has you, haven't you. यसमा चाहिँ again you have heard of gloomy Sunday. This is a positive sentence. यो चाहिँ एउटा positive sentence हो. अनि यसमा चाहिँ हामीलाई अब negative question tag use गर्नुपर्छ. So negative question tag को option के छ भने hasn't you, haven't you. अब as we have used have here, so we don't use hasn't here, instead we use haven't you. So you have heard of gloomy day, haven't you? So now the next question we have is you don't have to wear glasses. Don't you, do you, didn't you, did you. यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने again now we see you don't have to wear glasses, which means this is in a negative form. So negative form मा हुने बित्तिकै हामी question tag चाहिँ positive use गर्छौं. So यसमा के हुन्छ भने either it's did you, either it's do you or it's did you. So कुन use हुन्छ त? You don't have. You don't चाहिँ के हो भने do not हो. Don't is do not. अब do छ यहाँ, so we use do you. Now the next question we have is she was kidding. She was just kidding. She was just kidding. We don't see any sign of negative sentence here. Yeah, your positive sentence. So the options we have is wasn't she and weren't she. अब weren't she कतिखेर हुन्थ्यो भने जतिखेर you were like specific हैन, धेरै स्पेसिफिक भएको भए like she was just like एकजनालाई त भनेको छैन नि त. she was just kidding. एकजनालाई मात्र भनेको छ she was just kidding भनेर. and यहाँ was छ भने this is like a positive one, so we use negative, which is wasn't she. Now the next question we have is Chanda has always been your favorite. This is a positive sentence again. Now we have options hasn't she and wasn't she. कुन use हुन्छ त? Chanda has always been your favorite. Hasn't she? Now we move on to another question.